Welcome to the If Income Training Kit Chapter 26. How to promote affiliate offers with Versus method. In this video, we will take a look at how to promote affiliate offers with the Versus method, step by step. So let's get started. So here we are on bigspy.com, and that is Ad Spy tool. Another is Ad Spy, that keeps top advertisers innovating and holds social media organizations to account for their content. On Big Spy we can see its full details, and here it says the must-have for every team. Below we have more features like multi-platforms, big ad database, powerful search, featured ads, people tracked, MUT tracked, and you can see more features from here. On Ad Spy, here it says what Ad Spy can do for you, all features with a Get Started button. Then we have more details and then more Ad Spy features. Back on WordPress, select Posts and from here Add New. Now enter the title of the post is Big Spy versus Ad Spy. Now go to Google and enter the title of the post for more suggestions. Back to the article, let's add comparison in the title. Now go to Big Spy, and from here you can take content for your article. Similarly, you can do it on Ad Spy. Write a detailed article. Here we have included screenshots of the website, with introduction, benefits, features, and cost. For the cost, go to Big Spy, and below you can see their pricing options, or you can go to the pricing tab on top. It will take you to their pricing page, and here you can see their prices and plans. You need to add these details to your article. After that, insert your Big Spy affiliate link here. You can customize its size and font as well. Next is Ad Spy. Again, for this go to adspy.com and extract content from here for features, benefits, and cost. After that, you need to insert your Ad Spy affiliate link here. So this is how you can write your Versus article to promote affiliate offers, and here it shows our word count is 1002. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 27. What plugins should you install for your review model site? In that video, we will take a look at what plugin should you install for your review model site, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.